hiccup. Your hiccups actually sound like hiccup. I never heard anybody's hiccups actually sound like the word hiccup.
That's exactly the way they felt when he was in my belly.
Yeah, they go hiccup.
When they make you mad.
We hate hiccups. Well, no, they're alright, because we always had hiccups.
I don't know. I don't think he likes it. What? Do you like the hiccups? Oh, it's a mad face. Oh, it's a mad face. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. I'm sorry you have the hiccups. I'm sorry.
Who's that? Is that your mama?
Hi, baby.
You can see his eyes trying to focus on different stuff.
Yeah.
Dilating and...
Hi, baby. Oh,
Hey, oop.
poor baby.
Oh, I thought we were done almost. No, we still got the hiccups. Oop.
Is that a tooth?
Nah, that was like a burp. It
Oh.
was like a burp or something. What was that?
Oh, bless you.
Whatever that was, it went the wrong way.
You about ready to eat some more? Oh.
There's gonna be a sneeze if the hiccup would stop for a second. So they can sneeze.
Is there another sneeze in there? Poor baby. Oh, big yawn. No. Sticking your tongue out.
It's a pretty good awake time here too.
Yeah.
You've been awake for a while.
Oh. You stick out your tongue like daddy? Oh.
Still got the hiccups.
Hey, baby Daniel. What?
Where you going?
I'm sorry, baby. What is that?
That like a monster thing.
Oh, there's a mad face.
Are you mad? That's okay.
Says these hiccups are interfering with my meal time.
Do you not like the hiccups? Well, that's a little better. How's that?
Oh.
Aw.
The light is not so good right here.
No.
No. It makes him look red. But he's not red. It is not red, baby.
getting grumped up? You getting grumped? A little bit grumped up?
What are you doing, Daddy?
You're walking. I'll just walk.
I don't think it doesn't look comfortable for the baby.
You were walking though.
Not sure if you're digging that.
Well, wait until you get hold your shoulders a little better, huh?
Yeah.
And maybe your head. Before we try to walk around.
My sister be mad if he starts walking already before she gets here. Oh, big yawn. Oh.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Oh. I think his cheeks are getting chubbier already.
You have chubbier cheeks already. The hiccups won't go away. What's up with that? Let me put you down. And then put you up. Did that help?
Baby Daniel.
Who's
Baby
that?
Daniel. Baby. Can you look at mommy? Baby. Can you look at mommy?
Almost.
Baby Daniel. Baby Daniel. Can you look at mommy?
It's a little early to respond to you, but I'm sure he hears you now.
Hi, baby.
Who's
Oh,
that? Oh, that's a Gaggy.
what? What's that?
Hey, that scared the hiccups out of you.
Yay! Bailey, hush. Is that better? Oh.
Oh.
Bailey. Sit down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
Down.
Good boy.
Maybe look over this side. Still got me around. Yeah, he's slowly, see, relaxing his legs a little bit.
Yeah.
Don't feel mess with them.
Pulls them up. What?
Nope, I think we're starting to look for some food.
Oh, yeah. Hungry again. Oh, yeah. Time to eat.